Okay, let us start the class. Today's class I'm going to explain in Java about hash maps. Hash map. Hash map is what? Hash map. Hash map is what? Is equal to dictionary. It is like a dictionary in Python. Okay, equal to dictionary in Python. Dictionary in Python. It stores values. Uh, it stores values as key pair values, key and key pair values. Okay, key pair values. Okay, means let us see what do you mean by key pair values. A key will be there and then a value will be there, both will be paired. A key and value both will be paired, that is called a hash map, equal to dictionary in Python. So this is our file name, hashmap.java. You change this class name as hash map. Okay, this is the main class name. I have changed this main class name as hash map. This is the main method. Main method will not be changed. This is the default statement. Whether you want to keep it or it is up to you whether you want to keep it, otherwise we'll delete it. Now to make the hash map, it is looks like a list also. In Python, list, tuple, set. Okay, in Java, array list, linked list, hash map, like somewhat lists are there. They will be used to store the values. Okay, so here first of all you import java dot util dot hash map. It is a class that is part of utility package. Okay, we need to import this class. Then after, what it is stating that same file, no issue. Now come down here within the main method, write the code. First of all, we need to create the hash map. Hash map will be created like what you know. This is the syntax. Okay, after that we need to put the wrapper classes. Which type of hash map you want to keep? Which type of hash map? Okay, whether it is string type of, this is the syntax. Already it is supporting us. Okay, the VS Code supporting us. This is the syntax. Already it is indicating that. So you, rather than write lengthy code, you accept this one. So it gives a lot of support to us. So hash map. After that it is wrapper class. Wrapper class what? String type of. It stores hash map for string and key as a string and value as a string. That is meaning. So that after that, this is the object name. You can keep map, either one, whatever you keep, xyz, you can keep vasu, you can keep suitable name, always a suitable name. This is the object name. New keyword will be used to create the object for this hash map. This is wrapper class. Wrapper class, I told you that wrapper classes are used to wrapper classes will be used to use primitive data type as an object. Okay, so normally in Java, primitive data types int, float, bool, char, they can't be used to create the object. Suppose if you want to use them to create the object primitive data type, we will use the wrapper classes. Okay, So now this is the syntax, huh? So now once it is created, then after we need to store. Okay, how can we store? We need to store object dot method. Here put method will be used to store the values, key value pairs. First of all, key and value. This is the syntax. Here key will be string and value will be string. So string will be in single quotation or double quotation in Python, but here in Java always string will be in double quotation. So key will be what? England. Suppose England. England is a country. Okay, and then comma. Value is what? England capital. Capital is what? London. London. Understand? So here one pair completed. One pair completed. So this is what here syntax string string means your key will be string and value will be string. So one pair completed. After that, if you want to terminate this one, next if you want to store one more value, so dot put method again. Within the put India. India is a string. Okay, and then India capital New Delhi. New Delhi. So one more pair. These are called pairs. Key value, key will be there and a value, both will be a pair, key value pair. So two values I have, key value pairs I have passed. If you want to put one more, Vasu dot put method, use put method. In the put method string, okay, one more Australia, otherwise take somewhat country. France. France is a country. Okay, you take like you accept like this France. Here you pass in value as a Paris. So three pair value key value pairs I have stored by the put method. This put method is the method of this Hashmap. Hashmap is a class, built-in class. Hashmap is a built-in class. Main class, that is called built-in class, part of your utility package. Utility package is nothing but it is a folder in Java. Folder holds many classes. Many classes. Utility package has many classes. Scanner class, hash map, array list, linked list. They all will come under utility package. So once a class is imported, it has method. The class methods will be accessed by object only. This is the object created for what? Hashmap class. By the put method will be accessed only by creating the object name dot operator. So now what happened? Now you come down. Now you take a printout here. System dot out dot print ln. Okay, now here you do one thing, you call that object. What is that object? Object is what? Vasu. Vasu is object name, and terminate with the semicolon. So then what happened? This Vasu, if I, because all that key value pairs stored with the put method, the put method of Hashmap accessed through object. So you call that. Now what happened? You will get that values. Let us see what we are getting. We are not getting anything here. It is giving error. That is error for what? We need to system dot, if I pass this value, okay, I am not getting any value here. So if I want to get, it is giving error. So if I want to get any value, now by get method, suppose you use the get method. Method is having suffixed with the brackets. Now you need to pass what? Any, suppose France. So